Did you know that September is National Spinal Cord Injury Awareness Month? Well, it is. Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And at any one time here in America, about 200,000 people have suffered spinal cord injuries. Every 48 seconds, someone here in America is paralyzed. Most of these injuries are caused by motor vehicle accidents. That's about 42% of them. But other accidents like falls, work-related injuries, sports-related injuries, they all contribute to those numbers. Now, these accidents are terrible, obviously. They're life-changing, life-altering. So if you have been injured by someone else's negligence or someone you love has been injured to that extent that you've suffered a spinal cord injury, then you already know how terrible it is. I don't have to tell you. But what should the compensation be for someone else's negligence? Well, I would submit to you that it should be more than just medical bills and compensation for pain and suffering. It should include lifetime care, long-term rehabilitation, even things that help you adjust to a new life, like motorized wheelchairs, things of that nature. Perhaps even redoing your house for disabled access. Those are all the things that you should receive in addition to the pain and suffering and lifetime care type of compensation. But how do you make that happen? If it's a motor vehicle accident, let's say, now if you're injured by a large corporation, it shouldn't be a problem. But what if you're injured by an individual and that person has a very low limit insurance policy or no insurance at all? What do you do then? Who pays for all this? Well, folks, you need to buy insurance yourself. You need to make sure you have uninsured motorist coverage. And for spinal cord injuries, you need coverage beyond the level of the average policy. Go out and buy an umbrella policy of at least $1 million, more if you can afford it. They're cheap, relatively speaking, and if something terrible like this ever happens, you'll be glad you did, folks. Be careful out there. Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And I hope that you and anyone you love never ever suffers something as catastrophic as a spinal cord injury. But in the unlikely event that you do, I would love to talk with you about that. Call me anytime for a free appointment or contact me on the Get in Touch form on this page.